Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove battery from your DJI Mini SE. So to do this, you have to rotate your device and find this plastic cover. It's next to the USB port and the micro SD card input. And right here we have to just open it. So we can do this gently with your one finger. And when you do this, you can find the battery input. So to remove it, you have to just press on this button right here with your finger. Let me show you. And then you will be able to remove this battery. So you have to just press this button. And that's how it looks inside. If you want to put it back, just do this in this position, like that, and then close the cover. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.